Let's select our template, left click, my architectural unit system fit, to select left click, first we will draw a line, to end command press escape. So this is our line. Now we will put dimension on this line. Go to Home tab, Layers panel, click on this small arrow. We will select Dimension Layer. To select, left click. Now to activate Dimension command, go to Home tab, Annotation panel, and this is our Dimension command. To select, left click. For now we will press escape to end command. The shortcut for Dimension command is DIM. Type DIM, enter or space. Now select start point. So this is our start point, left click. Select end point, this is our end point, left click. Now move the cursor a little bit up and then left click. Dimension command is still on. To end command, press escape. At the start and end, there is arrows, and in the middle, it's showing us the length of the line, which is 527.5, and this means it is not displaying the length in feet scale. So to change the entire look of the dimension style, go to Annotated tab, left click, in Dimension panel, click on this small arrow, left click, Manage Dimension Style, left click. We want to create our own dimension style, so click on New, give it a name, Feet RP, start with standard, click on Continue. First we will start with Lines tab, left click, we will give it a color, left click, select color. So let's select this one, gray 253, click OK. In extension line, the same thing, we will give it a color, select color, 253, gray color, OK. Now go to Symbol and Arrows tab. We will change the arrow size to, we will make it 2 inches. Now go to Text tab, left click. We will change the color of text, so select, left click, select color. We will select this one, 140, click on OK. We will change the text height to 6 inches. Now let's go to Primary Units tab, left click. This is the most important tab. The unit we will select here will reflect in the dimensions. As we can see, for now it is 33.865. So if we go for line dimension and on unit format, we will change from decimal to architectural, and we will make precision to 1/8 of an inch, which is 1 foot. So as we can see, it has changed. Leave the rest of the thing as it is, click on OK. Select Feet RP, click on Close. So now select this dimension line. To select, left click, and here we can see it is standard now. Click on this small arrow and select Feet. Now it becomes visible. Press escape, arrows and length is visible. So we have created our own dimension style. Now we will save it to our template.